Welcome, curious minds, to a thrilling journey into the world of force and motion. Have you ever wondered why a ball rolls when you push it, or why a car speeds up when you step on the gas pedal? Let's dive into the exciting realm of objects in motion. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Motion is all around us. Every time you ride a bike, kick a soccer ball, or even take a step, you're experiencing the magic of motion. To understand an object's motion, we need to learn about its position. An object's position is its location compared to a reference point. If you move that object from one position to another, you're causing it to change its position, or in other words, to move. But what makes objects move? That's where forces come into play. Usually by one, a contact force, a force when two objects touch. A contact force can be a push or a pull that can change an object's motion. When you kick a ball, you're applying a contact force that makes it move forward. A non-contact force. Force when two objects do not touch. Gravity, magnetism, and electrostatic are examples of non-contact force, but we will talk about them in a minute. In the world of forces, there's a balance and an imbalance. Let's see what happens when forces aren't balanced. When one side pulls harder than the other, we have unbalanced forces. They don't cancel each other out, and this can cause motion. Unbalanced forces make objects speed up, slow down, or change direction. It's like a contest where one side wins over the other. But what if the forces are equal? Let's explore balanced forces. When forces are balanced, they're equal and opposite. This means they cancel each other out. Balanced forces are like a friendly handshake between two sides. They don't cause any change in motion. So whether it's a fierce tug of war or a gentle push, understanding balanced and unbalanced forces helps us unravel the mysteries of motion. Forces can be gentle, like a light breeze swaying a tree, or powerful, like the engines of a rocket sending it soaring into space. A force can make the object move. A force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can make a moving object to speed up. A force can stop a moving object. A force can change the property of a material. Time for a GP fun fact about force and motion. Did you know that the force of gravity on the moon is about 1/6 of the force on Earth? That's why astronauts can jump so high on the moon's surface. Back to the captivating world of force and motion. When forces act on an object, they can change its motion. If you push a swing, it starts to move. Now let's explore some forces: magnetism, gravity, and friction. Magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic objects. It is the push or pull exerted by a magnet. Gravity is a force that pulls objects toward the Earth's center. It's what makes objects fall when you drop them. When you launch a rocket, the force of the burning fuel pushes the rocket upward against the force of gravity. This battle between forces is what propels the rocket into the sky. Friction, on the other hand, is the force that opposes motion when two surfaces rub against each other. It's what slows down a rolling ball, or makes your brakes work when you stop a bike. Imagine sledding down a snowy hill. If there was no friction, you would keep sliding forever. But friction helps us control and stop objects in motion. Sometimes friction can also be helpful. It's what allows us to walk without slipping and gives our shoes grip on different surfaces. Let's briefly mention electrostatic force, which is the force that exists between electrically charged particles. Objects in motion also tend to stay in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. This principle is called inertia. Inertia is when things don't like to start moving or stop moving by themselves. They want to keep doing what they're already doing. Like when you're on a bike and you stop pedaling, it takes a moment to slow down because of inertia. Inertia is like a keep going or stay still power that objects have. So, remember, forces are the hidden helpers behind every movement you see. From flying airplanes to rolling skateboards, the world is a playground of force and motion. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the world of force and motion. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep exploring, keep learning, and embrace the exhilaration of understanding how the world around us moves. Don't forget to join us next time for another educational adventure. Thanks for watching.